G'day CNC Warriors, I'm Amal and welcome back to the Tech Centre of Iscar Plus in Auckland, New Zealand, where we got no time for downtime. Today we're going to talk about threaded holes and a really cool way of doing them. Threaded holes. Almost every job has one, and we have done several thousand of those, different sizes and types. It generally involves three tools: a drill, a tap, and a chamfer. But there is a problem of broken taps, and that's a pain you and me don't have the time for. Some clever buggers then came up with threadmilling. Now you've got a lot more control over your threads, but again, it required three tools. So what is the next step up? What if I tell you there is a tool that could thread without a pre-existing hole there? Let's have a look. This, my friends, is the new multifunction thread mill from Iscar, the MTECD solid thread. This is what happens when you put an end mill, a thread mill, and a chamfering cutter together. Using circular interpolation, it's going to thread at the same time it mills down. And when it's done, it's going to come up and put a chamfer on the edge. Let's take a close look at this cutting edge. Center cutting, chamfering, and threading in one tool. And it's also through coolant. Programming this couldn't be easier. Just download the mill thread advisor from Iscar and it will just give you the program straight away. So what do we have here? We got one tool that does the job of thread. You got more tool space in your carousel, and it's perfect for your live tooling lights where you just got to set up one tool rather than three. And you must be thinking, oh, this might only work on softer materials, but let me tell you, this can machine up to 63 rock roll. If you want to know more about this tool, talk to your local rep or just ring me up. But for now, let's have a look at this tool in action in our tech center. Thank you for watching, but remember, at Iscar, we got no time for downtime. Until next time, goodbye. Send a drill. That's it. Send a drill.